Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspora and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then definitely go to our channel, watch all these videos, and if you're liking these videos, then go hit this subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. And also do not forget to hit this bell icon so that you get your notifications. And for the ones who wants additional services, you can always WhatsApp to 78926524811 to know what are the additional services, or else you can go to our website smarttrader.co. For the ones who wants to open an account and to be a part of my Telegram channel, you can open an account in Zerodha or Upstock by clicking the link in this about section, or else in your video description there will be a link. Click on that and fill in your details. Team will contact you and open your accounts. That is your trading demat account. So if you open through us, you will be added to my Telegram channel where you will be having lifetime learning and bonding with me. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's live trading session. This is the first live trading session for the year 2019. So I thought I'll record a video for you guys. So I'm going to do a margin trade in this particular video. So hope you will enjoy it. So I'm just looking at these stocks. Okay. So these were the stocks which I got from the Fatafat screener. So top 5 intraday gainers, not the top gainers, top 5 intraday gainers, the one which moved from its open. So Dish TV, UBL, and then I just saw this 1 hour range breakout, Reliance. I mean, Infi is there, but yeah. So Reliance, Infi, all these are looking good. Reliance, Infi already has gone almost 0.3% done. And yeah, so this one is just closer to it. Stick around. Let's do with MIS for now. Small quantity. It's a cover order. I'll keep it a bit far. 208. 1%. So it's done. So it's taken at 1220.90. So let's say 0.3% target. Let me put into 0.3 divided by 100 is almost 3 rupees. This one, so I should wait up to how much? 124. Okay, 24.60. So I have to wait till 24. Okay. Reliance is a very slow and steady stock, so we have to wait. Infi is going good. These stocks couldn't go break its own 1 hour candle. If you see it's already red, and even in case of Sun Pharma also, first candle was green, then nothing went towards its 1 hour candle, it all became red. Later it may break, but as of now nothing was close. In this case UBL has gone up 62 to 66. 4 rupees has gone up, and it is red in that. Reliance is just above its breakout at around 19.30, I guess. Just keeping on this candle, we'll get to know. High was 19. Okay, so we have taken almost closer itself. Let's see how it goes from there. Nifty, if you see, it's 0.66% up. After all those red and After all those red, finally today there is a green nifty movement. My positions finally, because of this red, few positions came into red, my holdings. Finally, because of this green, the things are recovered. So once I sell that position stocks, I'll be getting my intraday money. For CNC, I have around 5 lakhs in holdings in different stocks, around 4 stocks. So one by one, when I sell, I'll get those for my CNC. For now, we will do a small margin trading with a small amount which I have put. So if you see, Reliance has come up to 1224.80. That is our target actually. So this 60 only is our target, 6550. So now it's above our target as of now. So it just touched 125 and we have around 386 or 348 orders as of now, 29,000 quantity in 1225. Finally it has broken and it is going up from there. So almost 5 rupees above the line which we took. Nifty it's going up. So these are my stocks for my holdings which I'm looking to sell. So these are very big stocks. If you see, this is holding almost 2.7 lakhs. This is around 1.3 lakhs. If you multiply the money, the stock price into number of shares, 12. This is 950 shares in this. This one is for a bit long term. I'm looking for long term. This is short term, not for quick trade. Tata Motors also, I'm waiting for a quick exit. So I'm just waiting for it to recover a bit. So once these are sold, then I can do my CNC orders, safe orders. Till then I'm just doing margin, just for recording the video. Doing margin trading is very risky for beginners. I would not suggest any beginner to take margin of. I've just used 15 times of margin here. With capital of 10,000. So I don't want my subscribers to follow the same. If you are a new person, then always do paper trading and do observations, because you need a lot of time to understand the concepts. There are a lot of concepts and learnings are there when you do paper trading. And if you're already trading, then I would suggest you to go with CNC, cash and carry, not with margin, so that you have a lot of time to learn. If there is a loss also, that's a small loss. If there is profit also, there's a small profit. So it will take a lot of time. In case, if for example, if you're taking margin, you will lose your 100% money in 1 week or 1 month if you do wrong trades. But in case of CNC, hardly you will lose 20-30% you will lose. The rest 70% of your money will be with you. So always, if you're a beginner and doing trading, then always go with CNC. That's what I wanted to show. But because my cash is stuck in the holdings, I'm waiting for that. So meanwhile, I'm just doing with a 10,000 for our recording purpose, because we didn't do any live trading video for this particular month. I didn't record any video, and this for 2019, this would be our first recording, right? So I thought it's high time I record some daily vlogs, then show some stocks. And this is how I pick the stocks. And if you guys have not watched my video, then if you're a new subscriber, then please go watch my videos, how to pick a stock, 5 ways of picking stocks. So you have different ways of picking a stock. So today I got Reliance from the first R range breakout area. There are other stocks which didn't break its own high, or it didn't even break its 1 hour candle. So I didn't consider that. So every day is a different scenario, so we cannot go with every day with the same technique. You need to keep switching your techniques also. I thought I'll record in mobile because I just got up a little bit late, and then by the time I open my laptop and set it up, things move off. So mobile is very easy. If I want to travel or want to go out also, I can just record and post my video on the way, so there will be consistency of recording videos. For now it has come a bit down. Oh, it has gone up to 1227.20. We didn't see that. Our target was 124.6050. Okay, but it is well above our target itself, 125, right? 1225. It went up to 1227, so almost half a percentage movement was there already in this particular stock. So if you see, the stock price has gone to 1235.36. so I'm just exiting this. So we bought this stock at 1220.90, and we waited up to 1235.40. so almost I would say 15 rupees, close to 15 rupees profit. So 12 rupees is the 1% of the stock, so we have got more than that. So for 10,000 capital we made a profit of 1740. I'm just taking calculator to show you. 1740 divided by 10,000 into 100. So we have made 17.4% profit on this particular stock, considering we have taken the margin. If I would have not taken the margin, then I would have made around 1.1 or 1.2% profit on this particular stock on CNC order. So this was margin order where we have used around how much? Yeah, so we have used around 10,000 and we have made a profit, so 11,760. So that is, we have used margin, that's the reason the profit is higher, 17%. So looking at Nifty is okay. Nifty, after coming down, it has again recovered up. During this moment, our Reliance took advantage and went up, and most of the stocks which we discussed on Telegram also has gone up. That's one advantage. So if you want to be part of my Telegram, then you need to open an account in Upstock or Zerodha. So hope you guys had a safe trading today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Whenever I get free time, I'll keep recording this video. So see you soon in my next video. Please like this video and share this video. Subscribe to this channel. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.